Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to create a folder in Google Drive. Creating folders in Google Drive is a fantastic way to keep your files organized and easy to find. Whether you're managing work documents or storing personal photos, I'll guide you through the process step by step. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in with your Google account. Now right-click here on this web page and you can see an option which states New Folder. So all you have to do is to click the New Folder option. And now a window will pop up. It will ask you to name your folder. So let's just leave it that way. And then all you have to do now, once you're done naming your folder, please click Create. It's that simple, and your new folder is now ready for you to access. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a folder in Google Drive. It's a small step that can make a big difference in keeping your digital files organized and easily accessible. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to create a folder in Google Drive. Remember, staying organized is key to a smooth digital experience. See you on my next video.